what is the plot? Well, it's basically two things. The naturalization of the mind is the greatest philosophical project. And if you can recreate it, it means it's also the last human philosophical project, because then you can leave the rest to the machines. And this project arguably starts with Aristotle, but in earnest, this idea of translating the mind into something that is a mathematical machine has been started with Leibniz, and La Mettrie could see it. Frege tried to build a language in which thoughts can be expressed. That was later fixed by Tarski. And Wittgenstein had this idea that we can turn maybe English into a kind of programming language, so philosophy becomes a code generation problem. And in this way, he preempted Minsky's logicist project by about 3 decades, but also its failure, because he didn't see a way eventually on how to naturalize perception. And our reasoning is very, very brittle, and reflection is very brittle. It's only a very tiny part of what our mind is doing. And all this interfacing with the messy reality and making sense of it at the lowest level is something that does require more that was invented later. And I think that a number of philosophical breakthroughs in the last century that philosophers are largely not digesting.